Just as well I've got a rub. It's absolutely bouncing. Wee Allegro, cracking heater, 2-speed wipers. Can cope with all this. So I'm leaving the Daimler in the house. So it looks like the Allegro is going to be my daily driver through all this. Look at that, wind is all steaming up already. Humidity must be about 90%. So just get a wee quick run into, get some groceries. I better do up my jacket. Yeah, there's some real motoring for you. You should all be ashamed putting your motors in the garage or whatever. Somebody's run these old cars all through the year. Gotta get that side light done. Yeah. Get that side light fixed. Come on, open. Yeah, easy as that. Just a loose connection. Try doing that with your CAN bus. Rubbishy. Hyundai Moronics or whatever they're called. This wee Spitfire switch. Cheese. Oh, it's a lovely day. What are these squeegee things out of Sainsbury's for £1? Only £1. Yeah. 2-speed wipers and the old Allergic. Yeah, look at that. Love for petrol. Squeegee the glasses with that other one. Well, what do you use when it's peeing a rain and you want to drive to the shops and you're needing a daily? I know what you do, you get an Austin Allegro. Anyway, so this is the first cold start. Mashing on. Haven't used this for over a week. Choke full out. Yeah. Objective finds mulligatawny soup. That's what I went out in the rain for. Cat's sitting out in his wee hut. It must be about 11 o'clock now. Do you think in the old days I would have washed 14 Sprinter vans, 17 tonner and done an MOT wash before I finally get to my mulligatawny soup? All I've got to worry about is my mulligatawny soup. Wee Allegro did well, started first time. Road was blocked. And then a woman drove too fast in one of these ugly SUV things and splashed the Allegro with water everywhere all down it. And I've only just washed it, but this is what you get. Anyway, consuming the mulligatawny soup. This is a type of soup that Heinz make. Started it about 25 years ago that I know of, and it's a kind of curry flavour. I recommend it. See you soon with the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Mr. H Classic Cars. So this is the wee park, showed you this before.